a little bit about notes.
Notes, okay. So notes, and I know people who have not presented that much, they like to carry notes with them and read from them. Notes are fine, and you want to avoid reading word for word, but referring to notes. So I just talked about the division of labor within the organization. You look down, the next area I'm going to talk about is particular laws. So that's fine. So notes as reminders are fine. Notes aren't, so I do not want to do this. I'm now going to talk to you about labor relations in manufacturing. I will first start out. So that's, do you have other comments about that?
I don't even have a problem with a long piece of paper because you can do notes. If this is more comfortable for you to hold than a note card, that's fine too. But again, yes, you're going to have a sentence or two or a paragraph because you're going to know your material so well that all you need is this sentence that says, how do you begin a presentation in order to be able to talk about that topic? Or the sentence might be next to key up for labor negotiations, and you know where you're going to take that. So paper's okay, cards are okay. It's not what you use, it's how you use them. And here's another thing that is just sort of subconscious, where we look down at the paper and we're reading, and then we look up a little bit like this and we look down a little bit more. Consider this: whenever you are talking, you're looking out at the audience, and then stop talking, glance down at your notes, look back up at the audience, and then begin talking again. Now, those periods of time when you're looking quietly down at your notes to get your next key point, those are going to seem like an eternity to you. But in fact, it's only seconds. These pauses in our mind, they're much longer in our mind than they are for the audience. So just slow your presentation down a little, take the time, look down, get your next point, then look up, and then begin talking about it. So often, the most important things that we say are at the beginning of the paragraph and the end of the paragraph. That's where we're making our biggest points. And we're saying those things when we're looking down at our notes. So get your head up and look out.